MTD Network have dropped in to see Kail and Co in Sunderland. Steve, fantastic operation. What I want to start off though is Kail and Co, I'm thinking oil and gas work.
No, Colin, things have changed. I would say 2-3 years ago we were predominantly oil and gas, probably accounted for 70% of our market. Nowadays I think we're covering a lot more different areas, defence being a key one, bit of motorsport, pharmaceutical, just about everything you can think of, little bit of aerospace. And we've had to do that, we've had to change because it was catastrophic for us the way the decline came with the oil and gas downturn.
We say catastrophic, but I think it's been quite good for you because look at this, two really impressive sites. Now this site I'm thinking mainly turning in large parts.
This site was initially set up for oil and gas, all the large part turning, but also we do quite a lot with Rolls-Royce as well. We do a lot of servicing and repair work of their fixtures as well as manufacture.
Okay, so an example of a machine we've got here to do some Puma, for example, turning diameter 900 mil, is that right?
Yeah, 900 and a similar sort of height as well. We have a slightly bigger machine in the Toshiba next to it. It will turn 1.1 metre diameter.
Right, so some big parts. So you're looking smaller batch runs but the bigger parts, is that right?
It's difficult, but we try and complement the site again with batch work on some of the smaller machines, and that makes it easier to manage. It means we don't need the management structure on this site that we have up at the other site.
Now that's all mainly turning here, but I also noticed EDM, all varieties of EDM?
Yeah, we've got a lot of wire work going on. We tend to be running them 24/7 as well.
Yeah, some really fantastic components there. And also on the other side, some great machines, more your 5-axis, your smaller components, is that right?
Yeah, some big investment at the other site as well, ongoing investment as well, mainly with people like Matsuura and Nakamura, buying some of the high-tech stuff, 5-axis machining centres, horizontal machining centres. Good capability up there, but on smaller work.
Okay, so really all sorts of industries, turning, milling, EDM. Anything else we should mention?
No, I think that's the key to our success. We now enter all markets, and that's why we're so busy now, I think.
Steve, fantastic operation across the two sites. And just to confirm, Sunderland, not Newcastle.
Definitely Sunderland.
Okay. Steve, thank you very much.
Thank you, Colin.